Hey, what's up? So yeah, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to Pali Waterfall. That's located towards Valpoi. So if you are new to this channel, please consider liking and subscribing. And right now I'm with my two of my friends. They are coming along with me at Pali Waterfalls. So they are Carson and Clive.
Hi.
Okay, so right now I guess we are about to reach, and we have stopped to take some snacks. Okay, so right now we have reached the location at the waterfall. This is how it looks over here. And yeah, if you're coming with bike or any vehicle, you have to pay a ticket. That's 30 rupees if you can see. Ah. So we got a ticket of 30 rupees. So right now we are going inside. Inside, man, I don't know.
Right.
Walking towards the waterfall. See? Okay, so another update. Once you come inside over here, you have to take another ticket. that's like 20 per person. And if you're coming with a camera, don't forget 50 rupees. So yeah, let's go. Which side do we go? This side. This side.
10, 20. Inky, pinky.
Okay, let's go this side. Random choice. Yeah. I hope you are going in the right direction now.
Turn the group.
Okay, which side do we go?
Inky, pinky, ponky.
Okay, this side. Random choice.
There are no signboard also.
Stupid man, nothing is there only here. Holy shit.
Yo.
We are stuck. Oh shit.
Oh, what's that?
Okay, we are stuck. Guess why? Shoes. What do we do?
At least someone is wearing sandals.
Hey wait, you are wearing sandals, man.
So, you know what you are
We'll see you
supposed
soon.
to do.
Okay, we got an option. Clive isn't wearing shoes. Let's go on Clive. Shit. Oh, crap. Yo.
I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna.
Yeah. Oh shit. That's one armor, okay? Okay. Now? Oh. Wait. Driver is coming to pick you up.
Don't fall, no.
Okay, we have successfully made it. I hope there's no more. Okay, there's another one to cross. I guess I have to go through water with my shoes. Finally. Survival. Okay, so that was a short survival.
Yo.
Let's go. No. adventurous. Yeah. Lucky there's no rain today. But I think there's no fun without rain also. Wow, this is adventurous. I think we are on the wrong route, but hopefully we reach at that location. I can see an exit. Oh, no! This is not the way, I think. Right now we're trying some other exit. Okay, that was a fail. What? One, two, three. Oh no!
Bro.
Okay. We totally took the wrong direction, but now we are hopefully on the right one. Let's go. Okay, so we have reached to the waterfall, and here you go. Just kidding. Let's go.
Superman. Yo.
Another survival point. This looks like National Geography. Please do not come from this side because this is totally adventurous and it's actually a wrong route also. Okay guys, this is not the perfect road at all. But if you want to enjoy adventure, then this is perfect. Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay guys, we are totally exhausted. Like literally we are all sweating and we are lost. Like literally
Take over.
lost.
Take over. So we thought we were lost, and then we found everyone, and now everyone is lost. So let's see, we are following them, and there are people behind. So Glen, you.
See, if you see behind, all people are following us now. But the fact is, we are also lost. But they don't know we are lost. Okay, here we are. So we reached finally at the location, Pali Waterfalls. See, it's a lot of crowded though. And yeah, if you're coming over here, please do come early. Right now, time over here is around 12:30. Yeah, it's 12:30 over. It's 12:30 over here right now, and you can see it's hell crowded. Along with that, some students are come for picnic also. Yeah, as you can see, we are totally exhausted. I don't know how we can survive while going back home. So yeah, you will see some clips now. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, go. exhausted. Okay, so we are done with the vlog. So if you like the vlog, please consider liking and subscribing. And if you want to see any of my daily content, follow me on Instagram. Until then, see you in the next vlog.